Hello students, how are you? I am your Jaheer Sir and welcome to the Jaheer Sir's math class. Today I am going to explain one more short trick for multiplication with the numbers which are near to round figure. For example, 98 into 96. These two are near to 100. How can we solve these two? Look at here, 98, you can write 96 here and then write these two are near to 100. Okay, 100 minus 98, 2, 100 minus 96, 4. Okay, now you can do the subtraction here or here, like this or like this. 98 minus 4, 94, or 96 minus 2, this one also 94, and then you can multiply these two numbers. 2 4s are 8. But how can we know how many digits are there in multiplication? So you can count the digits here, zeros, you can count the zeros. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. That's why the multiplication must be, this number must be 2-digit number, but here only 1 digit is there, so that you can write 0. So this one is your answer, 9408. It will take 5 seconds to 10 seconds only. Okay, let us check another question which is near to 100 again. 92 into 95. What is the product? Okay, yes, check here, 92, this one 95, this numbers near to 100, 100 minus 92 8, 100 minus 95 is 5. Now subtraction, not these two, cross, 92 minus 5. How much 92 minus 5? 87. 87. Or these two also 87 only. And then multiplication of these two numbers. 8 5s are. How much 8 5s are? 40. Look at here, 2 zeros are there. 2-digit number already comes. So your answer is 8740. Understood? Now one more question we will check. 97 into 96. Okay, 97, 96, these are near to 100. 100 minus 97 3, 100 minus 96 4. So do the subtraction like this, 97 minus 4, 93, or 96 minus 3, 93 only. So 3 4s are 12. Multiplication of these two. Here 2 zeros are there, 2-digit number comes. So 9312 is your answer. 9312 is your answer. Multiplication of 3-digit number which is near to 1000. 100 near to 100, same process we can follow there also. For example, 998 into 996. So these two numbers near to 1000, so that 998, 996, these two numbers near to 1000. 1000 minus 998, 2000 minus 996, 4. So do the subtraction like this or like this. You will get 994. And then multiplication of these two, 4 2s are 8. But remember that here 3 zeros are there. That's why the multiplication, the product of these two numbers must be 3-digit number. Why? 3 zeros are there, so 3-digit number. Only 1 digit comes, that's why you should write 2 zeros. This one is your product. Okay, one more question. 997 into 994. 997, 994. these two near to 1000, that's why 1000, and then 1000 minus 997 3, 1000 minus 994 6, and do the subtraction like this cross subtraction. 997 minus 6, 991, or these two also 991, and then subtraction multiplication of these two means product. 3 6 are 18, but 3 zeros are there, that's why product must be 3 digit number only. So 2 digits are there, you can keep one more 0 there, then your answer came here. 9992 into 9989. So how can we do the multiplication of this number? You can do in 10 seconds only, you can do it. Okay, 9992, this one 9989. These numbers are near to 10,000. Okay, so that when you subtract from this, you will get 8, here you will get 11, and then subtraction like this. 9989 minus 8, 9981, and then multiplication of these two means product of these two. 11 8 is 88, and then look at here, 4 digits are there, that's why product must be 4 digit number. Product of these two numbers must be 4 digit number. Only we get here 2 digit number, so you can write 2 zeros here. This one is your answer. How much time taken? 10 seconds only, below 10 seconds. Okay, one more question. 9995 into 9987. Okay, now first 9995 and then this number 9987. These two numbers near to 10,000. So this one is 5 less than 10,000. This number is 13 less than 10,000. Okay, now do the subtraction like this or like this. 9987 minus 5 means 9982, and then product of these two, 13 5 ja 65, and then how many digits are there in product of these two numbers? Only 2 digits are there, but here 4 zeros are there, that's why the product of these two numbers must be 4 digit number. So you can keep 2 more zeros. Is it useful? Now we can multiply 5 digit numbers. Okay, 5 digit numbers. For example, 99989 into 99992. It will also take 10 seconds only. First number 99989. This one 1 2 3 4 9s 2. It is near to ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. It is near to lakh. So that 5 zeros you will get. Okay. Now here 11. You should subtract from this. It is near to 1 lakh. 11. Here 8. And do the subtraction like this or like this. This one is easy. Why? Because 9 minus 8 you will get 1 there. So same number 99981, and then multiplication of these two means product of these two numbers. 11 8 is 88, but here 5 zeros are there, that's why the product must be 5 digit number. Okay, the product must be 5 digit number. Why? 5 zeros are there, that's why 5 digit number, but we have only 2 digit number, that's why remaining 3 zeros. This is the product of this number. Okay, one more question. 99996 into 99985. Same number again, 99996. Here number 99985, and this one is near to 1 lakh. how much? 4, and then here 15. Now subtraction like this. This subtraction is easy than this one. So do this one. You will get same answer when you subtract 15 from this number or 4 from this number. You will get the same number, same answer. So that 99981, and then product of these two numbers, 15 4s are 60. But here 5 zeros are there, so that the product must be 5-digit number. But here we have 2 digits only, so you can keep 3 zeros in the middle. This one is your answer. How much time taken? Only 10 seconds. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.